In today's video, we are going to show you how to contact the PO Prime customer service. Let's begin. Now, whether you need help with your account, verification, deposits, withdrawals, or technical issues, all you have to do once you are logged into your account is hover down to the left side area of the dashboard. From here, hover down where you can see the support option. And then there's going to be two options here that says My Tickets, and of course, click the Contact Us option. Alright, now here these are going to be the channels that you can reach the PO Prime customer service. You can call them at these numbers, email them, you can also click the live chat, and of course there is the help and support forms. Now, remember, if you have any questions or if you need more information, you can get in touch with these. You can also hover down to the bottom right corner where you can see the chat icon. From here, you can state your concern. For example, let's say type in a message. You can put in a file for supplementary support like a screenshot and then press enter. And you have the three dots icon here if you wanted to create a notification, especially if you are in the middle of conversation. And basically, that's how you contact the PO Prime customer service. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.